For me, being near the water and collecting beach stones isn't just about finding inspiration. It's where my mind finds its quiet. Today, I'm bringing that calm into the sketchbook. I've brought 3 of my favorite stones into the studio to use as our guide. Not to paint them realistically, but to translate their textures, their muted tones, and the feeling of the shoreline onto the page. Thanks for joining me today. I'm starting with a pencil and a black china marker, just putting a few simple marks on the paper. I'm outlining these beach stones because I really love their shapes, even though they might disappear under the layers in the end. I like how this is already looking very beachy. Are you a beach person? I've been drawn to the water all my life. As a child, my family would pack up and make the trip down to Florida every year over spring break. This is where I first swam in the ocean. That cool, salty water, sunshine, and collecting seashells made me so happy. During my teens and early 20s, I would spend time at our family cottage on Georgian Bay. I spent hours on the beach and in the water. At night, we'd sit on the beach and build a campfire and gaze at the stars. I lived for weekends at the cottage. And when my son was born, our home was just a couple of blocks away from Lake Ontario. There was a beautiful park there, and I'd take him for daily walks in his stroller. As he grew into a toddler, we'd spend hours walking along the shore, picking up beach stones and other washed-up treasures. If you have a favorite body of water or a beach memory that brings you comfort, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear where you find your quiet. These beautiful beachy colors on my palette are bringing back such lovely memories for me. Oh, and I apologize for the light shifting. As I'm recording this video, Toronto is experiencing the worst smoke and haze from forest fires in northern Ontario. The sky outside has been shifting from yellow to orange to just hazy darkness. Even with my ring light, I'm having a problem getting the light right today, so please bear with me. This quick little sketchbook spread is giving me all the beachy feels that I won't be getting anytime soon. Mixing shades of sand and water, and using my wedge to spread and blend the paint. I've listed the paint colors and supplies in the video description. I really enjoy this white stone with the black lines through it. I think it's a piece of granite. I'm taking inspiration from that stone and dragging my brush to create black lines across the pages. Be careful if you splatter your paint this way. I got more on myself than on the paper. But that's the beauty of working like this. It doesn't have to be perfect to be peaceful. As I lay down these final quiet marks, I feel like I've brought a little piece of the shore right here into my hazy studio today. This sketchbook page is a reminder that even when we can't get to our happy place, we can always create our own pocket of quiet. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you've ever found comfort or a sense of quiet near the water, I would love to have you share it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this peaceful studio session, please subscribe and join me next time. Until then, take care and find your own quiet space to create.